Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we're going to discuss the how can we use the static member functions or static method inside the class. So in the previous video we just discussed that how can we use the static keywords inside our class like this. Over here I have used a static keyword that name is hello world. So inside a class. So in this video we're going to discuss the how can we use the static member functions. So let me tell you that what is a static function. A static method it is a method or a member function in a class with static keyword. Like we cannot use any other keyword except the keyword that is having a static keyword. So that's the point, and we cannot. The second thing is that a method. It is a class. It is a method in a class with static keywords. So if we want to declare any function, then we have to firstly assign a static number, a static value with that function. Like we used in this keyword, hello world, we have assigned it a static. So I'm going to make my function static. Hello, hello world. So this is how I'm going to assign my function. I have declared it here. Let's just copy this line and paste it here. So you can see that I am calling hello world value that is outside the function, and outside the main and outside the class I have assigned I'm calling my human class with the scope resolution operator. I'm calling my hello world the keyword, and I'm assigning it a value of 3. So if I do this, let's see out our function human scope resolution operator, and I'm calling to function. The function has been called. So let's just save it and compile it. I hope we will not get any error. So you can see that the firstly thing was happening, the out static value variable calling. It is going to the human class. Okay, fine. Then it is going to with the scope resolution operator we are calling the static keyword. It is going to here, and afterwards we are assigning the 3. So if I change this 3 to 0 and just save it, just recompiling it, so I hope this time we are going to have the 0 thing. So you can see easily here that we are going to have the 0 in the compilation. So this is how it all is working. And one more thing, we cannot use what if for an experiment if I delete this static and save it and just want to call it, it is giving me an error. In static member function, static void human hello world. So it is saying that we cannot use anything that any that kind of variable, any that kind of keyword that is not static in the static member function. So I hope you got the concept. If you have still any query, then let me know in the comment section. And see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.